Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Faiza. I am your maths teacher. This is your second lesson of geometry course. In first lecture we have done 4 angles with compass. Now let's start few another angles. First angle is angle of 45 degree. For the angle of 45 degree, we need angle of 90 degree because 45 is the half of 90. So for the angle of 45, first we draw angle of 90 degree. Same is the process. Open the compass up to 2 centimeter, 2.5, 3. It's up to your choice. Then put the compass at this point and draw a semicircle. Draw the semicircle. Then again put the compass at this point, draw first arc. This first arc is called angle of 60 degree. Then again put the compass on the 60 and draw the second arc. So then from 60 and from 120 draw 2 arcs. This point to join this point of intersection to this line. This is angle of 90 degree. But we have to draw the angle of 45 degree. 45 is the half of 90. So first put the compass at this point and draw the first arc. Then again put the compass at the 90 and draw second arc. This point of intersection, join this point of intersection to this line. This is called angle of 45 degree. I am repeating again that 45 is the half of 90. So first draw the angle of 90. Then put the compass at this point and draw first arc. Then again put the compass at the 90 and draw second arc. Second angle is angle of 75 degree. For the angle of 75 degree, always remember the table of 15. In table of 15, which number is before 75? Before 75 is 60 and after 75 is 90. It means that for the angle of 75, we need two angles. We need 60 and we need 90. So, first draw the angle of 60. Then, after the 60, with the help of 60, draw angle of 90. This is the angle of 90 degree. Join this point of intersection to this line. This is angle of 90. Now, which number is before 75? Before 75 is 60. So, 60 is this. Put the compass on the 60 and draw the first arc. And which number is after 75? After 75 is 90. Then, put the compass on the 90 and draw the second arc. Join this point to this point. This is called angle of 75 degree. I am repeating again, for the angle of 75, we need two angles, 60 and 90. First draw the angle of 90. Then put the compass on the 60 and then put the compass on the 90. Our third angle is angle of 105. For the 105, always remember the table of 15. Which number is before 105? Before 105 is 90 and after 105 is 120. So, first draw the angle of 90. This is semicircle. Then put the compass on this. This is the angle of 60. From 60 draw the 120, right? Then with the help of 120, angle, this is your angle of 90 degree. Now, which number is before 105? Before 105 is 90. It means that put the compass on the 90 and then draw the first arc. Then again put the compass on the 120 and draw the second arc. This point of intersection, join this point of intersection to this point. This is your angle of 105. I am repeating the whole process. First angle is angle of 45 degree. For the angle of 45 degree, we need angle of 90 degree. First, draw the angle of 90 degree, then put the compass on this point, and then on this point draw the angle of 45. For the angle of 75, we need table of 15. Before 75 is 60 and after 75 is 90. It means that for the angle of 75, we need two angles, 60 and 90. So first draw the angle of 60 and then draw the angle of 90. This is all about your angles. We have done 4 angles in our first lecture and 3 angles in this lecture. Now with the help of all these angles, you have to do your homework. Your homework is exercise 10.3, which is about construction of a triangle. All these angles are included in construction. The main thing, always remember the main things, that in exercise 10.3 we have 2 types of angles, like angle of 35, 45, like 55. Always remember that those numbers which are divisible by 15, or we can say that those numbers which are in table of 15, these angles can be drawn with the help of compass, and those angles which are not in table of 15, for example 72 is not in table of 15, so these angles can be drawn with the help of protractor, and those are which are divisible by 15, these numbers can be drawn with the help of compass. Now do your homework, exercise 10.3, which is construction of a triangle. Thank you.